Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Cheryl and I are here together. She's on her own script. We're in our safe room in Plantation, Florida.
Our dog.
We are under tornado threat. Debbie and Harold and her sister Lisa are there in Parkland.
And my
you guys
sister-in-law Mindy. They're all
Mindy's there too.
And
Good.
the dog.
And the dogs. Yeah, we all have. You'll see dogs wandering around here, and
the dog's barking.
If you're not in South Florida, we had over 3,000 people watch us last night. And we got requests today to do this, and we were so honored, and it helped us to be with you guys last night. So some of you aren't in South Florida, and you'll hear some weird noises, and that'll probably be tornado warnings and alerts. So
Saying no sound.
no sound.
Turn up your volume.
Turn up the other.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Uh-oh, somebody else is saying no sound.
I know.
Hold on. Can you hear us now? Hello. Hello. Turn it off.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, you can hear?
Yep, I can.
Okay.
Turn up the
We
volume.
hear you.
Yeah.
Great. So if you didn't hear, Cheryl and I are in our safe room in our house. A safe room, for those of you who don't know, is an inside room with no windows or outside walls. Plantation we have had at least one tornado hit, and you might hear the tornado sirens going off. Cantor and her family are up in Parkland. They're certainly not out of the brunt of it, but
We're living on the edge. We're not in our safe room.
But just so people know, that Cantor and Harold and their son had to evacuate their apartment in Sunny Isles. So
Yes.
they have their own. So we're hanging in there, and we hope that you guys are too. And we thought it was important just to get together and mark Havdalah, the ceremony that marks the end of Shabbat. With Havdalah, we say a blessing over a Havdalah candle, which is a multi-wick candle you can see Rabbi Cheryl holding, and it's a symbol of light and hope, and certainly we need that tonight. We still have electricity, but we might be using candles in a little bit in ways that are not holy ways like we're going to use. We say a blessing for wine, the symbol of life and joy and happiness. Guys, turn your volume up, because some people are saying that they're hearing us and others are saying you're not. So make certain.
Some people might have muted because
Yeah. I got Allison loud and clear. So check your computers, because it doesn't see on our end. We're all on different computers and we're hearing each other. So in addition to the wine, we have the blessing over the spices, which are supposed to energize us, and certainly we all need a lot of energy and hope tonight. So we're going to do Havdalah. Sing with us, you know it, or just join along by watching and chatting in the chat room. Thanks, Lisa. Lisa says she hears us. Lisa hears us. Ellen Turco hears us.
Liam hears us.
So Meryl. So check your volumes. It could just be the internet, because the internet is acting up tonight. Because the echo comes from Debbie. Debbie hears me, and you hear her, and so I'll mute as she starts to sing for us. All right, blessing over the wine.
You ready? Ya la 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 la. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam. Borei peri hagafen. la 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 ya la 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 la. Ready for the
Blessing
spices?
over the spices.
I can't smell them from here. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei minei besamim borei minei besamim ya la 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 Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei me'orei ha'esh borei me'orei ha'esh yai lai la 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 lai lai la 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 lai 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 la la lai lai la la lai yai lai la 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 lai lai la la lai 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 la la lai lai la la lai Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam hamavdil ben kodesh lechol hamavdil ben kodesh lechol yai lai la 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 yai la 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 la
Sorry, I got yelled at because I stepped on you. I didn't mean to. We have the wine. We have the spice. What we're going to do now is we take the candle, the light, and we put it out in the wine. The wine is the symbol of life, the symbol of joy, the symbol of happiness. So tonight, as we put the candle, the light out in the wine, the symbol of joy, I want you to imagine us just strengthening life, strengthening the power of community, strengthening each other. We're not extinguishing the candle. We're just giving life, the community, extra strength, and that's what we all need tonight.
Eliyahu Hanavi, Eliyahu Hatishvi, Eliyahu, Eliyahu, Eliyahu Hakilati Ave Amenu, Yavo Elenu, Mashiach ben David, Mashiach ben David, Eliyahu Hatishvi, Eliyahu, Eliyahu, Eliyahu Hakilati.
So the cantor tonight wants to share the angel's blessing. Before we do that, as we end Havdalah, it's traditional to wish each other a Shavua Tov. Shavua Tov means a good week. And that's what we hope for and pray for as the sun goes down tonight and we get ready for a new week. It's going to be a rough night, a rough 24 hours for us, and those of you a little further north, even longer. But just remember, guys, we might be, some of us, alone in our houses right now, but we are not alone. We have community, and if this storm teaches us anything, it's that how important it is to be part of community. Everybody meet our Portuguese water dog, Ella.
Nancy wanted to see.
Yeah, there she is. She happens to be the first cousin of the Obama's dog. That's her claim to fame. Not kidding either. But anyway, Cantor has a special angel blessing for us all tonight. Just a reminder.
Hi, Babka.
Say hi. A reminder that we are, maybe not physically, we're spiritually connected, and we're here for each other. And we're going to be safe as we can, and we're going to be kind to each other, and we're going to help each other through this. Cantor, you want to?
Yeah, so in Judaism, we believe that there are angels on all different sides of us, surrounding us, that protect us. And certainly tonight, we all hope that these angels are with us. And the Shekhinah, which is the side of God, is also. And so as we do this angel blessing, kind of hold on to it. You can replay it if you want, if things get scary. And just remember that we're all together, and that we're all in this together, and that we have angels surrounding us on all sides. So, may our right hand bring us closer to our godliness. May our left hand give us strength to face each day. And before us may our visions light our paths ahead. And behind us may well-being heal our way. All around us is Shekhinah. 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 I'm going to sing it again, and this time, when I get to the chorus, all around us is Shekhinah. Sing along with us. May our right hand bring us closer to our godliness. May our left hand give us strength to face each day. And before us may our visions light our paths ahead. And behind us may well-being heal our way. All together, all around us. All
around us.
All around us is Shekhinah. One more time. All around us is Shekhinah. All around us is Shekhinah.
So listen, I want everybody to be safe. There was a pretty big touchdown of one of those tornadoes on Flamingo and Sunrise. That's right, really around the corner from us, down the street from the synagogue. I hope everybody is safe and careful, and you take these things seriously. I want to thank everybody who's reaching out to us. The wonderful news anchor Lori Jennings, who is an incredible person, and her team who's been helpful with us, and everybody who's just been incredible. Let's continue to be safe. Let's continue to look after each other and be good to each other. That's how we're going to get through this. Again, as long as we have power and phones, all three of us, and even Harold. Is that you back there, Harold?
That's Harold.
Yep. He's there. Harold.
Can you hear us? We're all here for you. We promise you that.
We're all here.
Just be there for each other. And you don't understand how much your presence online with us lifts our spirits. We're not just selflessly doing this for you. There's a selfish part of us that gets a lot out of this. So thank you guys. Share this with others and continue to be safe. Cantor, Harold, you have anything? Cheryl, you have anything you want to add?
Just everyone stay safe and may God bless us. We all be back together in a few days, and hopefully things will be okay. And if not, we're all going to help each other rebuild and do whatever we need to do.
That's right.
I'm sending prayers to the people who are more in line with what looks like could have been us.
That's right.
So we pray for everyone's safety and just hope for the best.
And I did get a lot of requests from people who aren't part of the Jewish community. They could join us tonight, and by all means, everybody's as together, united is how we're going to get through this. We're all one big family here. As we were texting, Father Albert Coutier, who many of you know of, who's a friend of mine, just reached out, and it's just this is how we're going to get through this, guys, by the connections we have. Yeah.
Good, Vodka.
And if you're not in our area, I don't think you understand the power there is that we're all in our separate safe rooms. None of us can see outside. We have no idea really how strong the weather is outside, but we know that we're all thinking of each other and connected to one another. And you can't imagine the comfort that brings to those of us who are going through this. So I know from the bottom of my heart, I feel loved by all of you. And I know Rabbi Andrew and Cantor Debbie, who is sitting very close to her dog, are what are you doing?
I'm comforting him. He's scared.
I see.
Oh, all right, guys. It's going to be a long night. We're here. We love everybody, and we wish everybody safety, and we'll get through this. Good night.
Yes, it's Bob.
Good night.
Love to everybody.
Let's make it a good week. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everyone. Stay safe.